Hello everyone. Apple cider vinegar is used to treat various health problems, such as fungus on feet. Not only does apple cider vinegar have antifungal properties, but it can also help you restore the pH balance of your nails and surrounding skin. When you get fungus on your nails, the nails can become more alkaline and the fungus spreads in an alkaline environment. This creates an ideal situation for the fungal infection to grow and spread to other fingers. When you use apple cider vinegar on nail fungus, you create an acidic environment. When the environment turns to acid, the fungi cannot survive. Since they have nothing for food to grow, they eventually become extinct. Fungi must be able to thrive in their environment in order to spread, so they like dark, damp places like toenails and often trapped inside shoes. The acidic environment created by vinegar helps keep the fungus from spreading and not coming back. Apple cider vinegar is one of the acidic solutions that you can use effectively for fungi precisely because it is strong enough to kill any fungal infection, but on the other hand also gentle enough so that it will not harm nails or skin. Apple cider vinegar foot baths are one of the best ways to fight foot fungus. This is precisely because you will relax your feet in a foot bath for a long time and allow healing under the nails, exactly where the fungus lives. Baking soda is one of the best natural ingredients that will take good care of your feet and always keep them healthy and beautiful for a long time. How to make a foot bath at home? If you want to make a foot bath with vinegar and baking soda, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 4 cups of warm water. Then lower your feet into the bath and leave for about 15 minutes to make the disinfectant properties of baking soda and vinegar work best for your feet. Finally, dry your feet with a towel.